everyone, my name is Manshi Sharma and today I am going to make a healthy food without gas. So for making it, we need the ingredients as sprouts, chopped cucumbers, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, some chilies and coriander, lemon, mixture, cornflakes and salt. So for making it, we need to put these sprouts in the bowl. After that, we need to put the cornflakes in this. And then we need to put the vegetables. Then you have to put the salt in this. You can put according to your taste. And then we need to mix it well. After mixing it well, you have to squeeze the lemon in this. And after that, you need to put some mixture in it. We'll put it slowly. After that, we need to put some coriander on it so that it will for garnishing. So, this much is ready. Chilies in this. So, our sprouts is ready. So, we learned how to make sprout, but we should also know the benefits of making sprouts. Sprout is very healthy for us because the process of germinating include its nutrition value such as vitamins, proteins, minerals and also fibers. It is rich source of fibers, proteins, vitamin B1, B D and BC. It's good for our health and it also removes our constipations and it is good for our skin, eyes, teeth. Also helps in blood circulations and it is good for losing weight. If you like my recipe, then please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you. So you all know that this recipe is very easy and healthy for all. And you can also see that how yummy it looks. So if you like, then please subscribe and share to my video.